Samantala, 30 gawang Pinoy na dula ang inilunsad naman sa pamamagitan ng Short and Sweet Manila Season 2. Tampok po dito ang mga dulang siksik sa kultura, kasaysayan at pamumuhay ng karaniwang Pilipino sa paglalayong mailapit ang dula sa masa. Ayon po kina Divya Rahan, Freedom at Vaishali Rai, pawang mga Indian nationals na may 5 taon nang naninirahan sa Pilipinas, walang duda na magtatagumpay ang proyektong ito dahil likas daw po na bukas ang kamalayan ng mga Pilipino sa larangan ng sining. Malapit na rin umano sa kanilang puso ang mga Pinoy kaya't hindi naging mahirap para sa kanila ang naturang proyekto.
The Philippines is far ahead in expressing itself as compared to India.
Philippines is a powerhouse of
talent, and I mean, performance is part of your genetics. Everybody sings, everybody just loves music. It's more fun in the Philippines.
Yeah,
we like it here.
It's a beautiful country. In fact, it is. I think not too many people, when we came here first, we weren't sure of what to expect, but it is a beautiful country. There's so much to discover. There's so much to, there's so much of culture. It's amazing, and it is similar but equally very diverse as well.